Here we go. Sound on. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the In Mini Thunderdome. It is March 14th, 2025. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. All right. So, as always, this is pure entertainment, not liable for any losses or damage to anyone's live account, evaluation, or PA. Welcome to follow any of my trades at your own risk. I'm already on a trade here. Not going well. I'm a little bit up from an overnight trade. Not much, though. Disclaimer off. Here we go. All right, let me know how the sound is. If there's any issues, we should be up and running. All right. Yeah, big sell-off right here at the opening. Not looking good for me here. Okay. Oh! Wow. I had a feeling it was going to go south. CLJ5. Iceberg has or feeling. I was up only $240 from the ETH trade that I took overnight. Glad I got out of that one because I was short. And as soon as I got out, it went north. All right, market is positive. I'm going with the trend. I knew there was going to be a pullback, but I thought it was going to take a little bit longer. I was going to be able to exit at least in my first target. All right, I could add right now. It could bounce right now. What I'm not going to. It's either I put my stop where the new entry is, the scale in, or I add. It's gonna film me. All right, I'm gonna move it up one tick here. CLJ5, iceberg has development. Might not film it. Oh, I'll be pissed if I don't get filled and it bounces back up. Come on. Big iceberg just hit at, what is that? Big one. 150 right out of the gate at 83. And I missed it by one tick. Might have missed the entry by one tick. Yeah, I think I missed it. I'm gonna go ahead and chase it. I might have missed it. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm not gonna chase it again. Yeah, it's either I get filled or I don't. I'm actually, if I could exit this, if I get filled and it lowers my interest, my entry. All right, I'm gonna chase it. Oh man, can't believe I missed it twice. All right. These trades could be high risk because we had a significant sellout here at the opening. I don't think it's news related. Oh, there's Russian Federation Foreign Trade. Spain issues bonds. It's nothing really huge. There's nothing up on also on the calendar that we have to worry about as far as news. There is Trump signing stuff at 9 a.m. my time. All right, I'm gonna also split this stop. Actually, I'm gonna go and raise the whole thing. Well, I'm wrong. Maybe negative 1590. I just hope that doesn't come down to my head. Here it is. So I chased it and it's back to where I wanted to get in. This is why I'm not a fan of chasing, because there's always a chance of pulling back. And here we are. Good morning. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. So there it is. I think I'm going to get stopped up. And give myself a little more room here. If it looks like I'm going to get stopped down, we're close to making a new low. Yeah, I usually don't chase. And now I'm paying for it. ELJ5. Iceberg. And here it is at my entry. I chased it. Where did I get filled? Again, I got filled at 96 when I could have gotten filled in my original 83 if I wasn't chasing. So it was I have to admit to myself with a little bit of FOMO. That's because I didn't get filled twice.
In 2025, oil price forecast by $9 per barrel to $74 per barrel for Brent.
So I have got to admit to yourself always when you make a mistake, you can't give yourself excuses. So I have to admit, because I didn't get filled twice, and I also saw the same amount of volume that was sold, not candles. The market doesn't work based on time. We just use it, but it's based on volume. So I saw the same amount that was sold was rebought, and I thought I was going to go and bounce. And now here we are. All right. It might have to be a day that I'm going to be chasing losses. I'm going to already deal with that.
A5, iceberg gas development.
If we don't get above 98, this trade is dead. So the clue is
down
we can get above
up to 10K
98.
Soft high frequency indicators and elevated economic uncertainty. Testing on multi-asset channel.
As always, the market usually only makes one high or one low during RTH. We are close to the low. I'll be very surprised if we make a new low. And the reason is that right at the close, after it tagged yesterday's low, it started to buy again. If we go and look So this is not usual. So this was news, and then it retested that. Is it showing?
Trade is a very useful US equity beneath. That's on the headline feed and the research feed.
So it retested that, and it went back up. It closed right here, and then after it closed, it started to go up. Because usually it ends, it closed right there. Usually it would just end right there somewhere. But instead, it went up. It went up 30 ticks. So that is significant. I took a short here, and I cleared somewhere here. No one call. But I wasn't happy with it. I'm glad I exited. All right, here we go. Won't be okay if it doesn't stop me out. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to go and journal me chasing a trade. So I want to see the market above 67, right? Because then it means that it didn't fail. 67. I definitely don't want to see a new low. And I don't want to see it go under 80. So as long as it's above 80 and then clear 67, I may, here it comes again. And we're 10 ticks from going negative. I'm going to give myself a little more room here, just in case it wants to just try to nibble, making a new low and buyers come in. But, oh man, no bueno. No bueno. Yeah, I think I'm in trouble here. Hopefully it will go sideways, and then as soon as the other markets open, it will bounce. So yes, making a comeback from last week's losses. It's up 50. All right, I'm going to join these two, and I'm going to go all the way up here. Here it comes. It may nibble a little bit in the new low and then just bounce. Come on, come on. Please don't make a new low. So I went with the trend, but I did FOMO on an add-on. And now we are barely positive.
Regarding coal, Chinese customs there's increased imported coal port inspections from April the 1st, according to the China Coal Transportation Distribution Association WeChat post.
I'm going to give myself 2 more ticks here. 15. So it should, if it makes a new low, well, it shouldn't do anything, but there's a possibility that it may want to tag 64 and bounce. What is the high? The high is 67.48. 67.48. I may have to lower my exit or my target to 67.40 if it makes a new low. But there's only between 10 and 13% probability that the market makes a new high and a new low during RTH. Last month, I believe it did it 3 times in the same month. But overall, in over 1,000 trading days, the probability is only between 10 and 13%. Yeah, that was immediate sell off right at the opening. And looks like it's trying to hold. Fridays are tough. I was contemplating not getting out of bed. Said, do I want to trade? Not really, but I don't want to be so much of a flake in this training. Maybe I'll just narrate, but it's impossible. It's impossible. Even after 25 years of electronic trading, it's hard just to watch. All right, just I'll go to look for launch here for being. Yeah, so if you haven't figured out, Fridays are tough because Everyone is either trying to position themselves for over the weekend or get out because of the weekend. If there's any type of catastrophe or war, crude will move. So Fridays is a day of taking care of risk. If you have an open position, you're either protecting your position or you're exiting. Especially now with Trump, everything can move. Yeah, can move it anyway. So, man. $60.59. I'm very surprised of the sell-off here at the opening. So all of that work, all of this overnight work here, buying at the closing, and then overnight going up almost a whole dollar to go and sell everything off at the opening with no news. It's suspicious. Yeah, very suspicious. I'm gonna give myself 8 more ticks here. Let's see. I'm already in the hole. But it looks like it wants to hold. So this is horrible risk management. I keep lowering my stop, but I have enough money to do that. Obviously, when I was going through my evaluation or building my account, I didn't do this. Yeah, I've been positive all week. So I'm playing with their money, but this is horrible. This is what you shouldn't be doing if you are a beginner. But I'm seeing enough information here that if it makes a new low, that it may bounce and I may have an opportunity to exit. Now, will I exit? That is the issue. I may have an opportunity to go and exit. And the $1 million question is, will I exit or will I be fooled if it is a bull trap that the market's going to keep going up and then all it is just a pullback to then come and crash anchors away. So we're still stuck inside of a shadow from the 5th.
CLJ5, iceberg as development.
Yeah, I guess it's waiting for the other markets to go open. So I either get stopped out immediately, or it might go all the way up and I may be able to go and exit. If it doesn't make a new low, there could be a chance that it will make a new high. So making a new high and new low, there's also not making a new high or a new low, I think the probability is around 45% that it doesn't happen. We have 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
The same notice from Travis Perkins delayed the publication of financial results for the year ended 31st December 2024. From 2024 adjusted operating profit in line with guidance.
So the first target here, this is a very strong target. Very strong target. It is a big magnet. Let's take a look on Bookmap and see if there's any orders waiting, any big orders. I need to go and clear my Bookmap just freezed. Oh, that's Bookmap just freezed. That's not normal. Yeah, the Bookmap is frozen. Okay, no, I'm doing it. All right. Where's POC? POC is at 11. All right. Rest of the markets are open. Let's see if we get any buying. And immediately, POC dropped at the opening to 82.
North Carolina.
They are buying.
Making you aware, US President
So 30 tick move.
special is with regards to the debt situation. So congratulations to Schumer for doing the right thing.
Oh, I would like to go and see a price check. So POC lowered and they immediately hit 81 and they sold again.
CLJ5, iceberg band.
POC lowered again. Now it's at 72 and they're selling. Where the low is a significant support area.
Okay, fine. Iceberg. Yeah,
So I don't think we'll make a new low. I really don't. I think it's very significant with a lot of buyers. And here we go, some buying pressure. I'll take that off. All right, there's a lot of momentum. Trying to pick up to the upside. All right. PLC is moving between 80 and 72. So it's starting to form, hopefully, a base. But I'm stuck here. I need a miracle. Because we're very close to making a new low. Or I may give back yesterday's wins. Right now I'm at 31.50 if I get stopped down. 53. And here they go. Boom. New low with momentum. Huge volume sell. Almost 1,000 shares just went through.
I'm just saying further from US President Trump on True Social says we had very good
Almost 1,000 shares.
with President Vladimir Putin. I've heard today. And there is a very good chance that this probably bloody war can finally come to an end. But at this very moment, thousands of Ukrainian troops are completely surrounded by the Russian military and in a very bad and vulnerable position. I've strongly request
I'm in trouble.
Putin that their lines have been
It's going to be a chasing day.
not one thing
Chasing my losses.
is proper law.
I have to be very careful. And here they are rebuying almost everything that they sold in volume. So it could mean an exit. Doesn't mean that the market is going back up. It could just mean that whatever they sold, they got out. But it could help with momentum. So I may have an opportunity to exit my trade. This could be a bull trap. It may go all the way up to this area right here and then anchors away. So I may have an opportunity to exit. So we may review low, so chances are we may not make a new high. All right, I'm gonna watch it a little bit and try to make a decision here if I'm gonna exit or not. The high is 48. All right, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to, right before it makes a new high. So I'll be able to make some money. I'll be able to make $2,500. And first obstacle is going to be clearing 90. So if we clear 90, there's a chance that I'd make some profits, or at least have an opportunity to exit.
And you update all Kazakhstan's, it's all exports via Sashin, Alaska, and Co pipeline to China. That's down 9% in February, from January to around 74,000 tons.
Or I'm at 53. The low
Oil exports via the bus.
60 should hold.
Right, 60 should hold from January to about 97.3 thousand tons. That's a raise there.
Institutional traders just stepped in, and it's the second time since, what time is that? 1:30. $1:33 a.m. They bought and they just rebought.
Further update on US-Russia meeting. The US envoy Witkoff had a long meeting with Putin last night in Moscow. Two voices citing a source briefed on the matter.
Okay, don't want to see a new low, obviously. But this area, there's a lot of support in this area here. If we could at least hold this area here for 20 minutes, there's a chance I may survive this. But we the only issue I'm seeing is that I do have some targets to the downside. They're really close. I have 56, 46, 53. So I'm right at a target, but I can't afford to move it down any further. I don't want to give a lot back of what I am already profitable this week. I'm actually contemplating moving my stuff up to 59. That's because there's so many targets right underneath, and I'm parked right at one target. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. What is our low? The low is 62. I'm gonna move it up to 59. So I'm risking 28.50. All right, come on, buyers. So what I need to see is low lows, clear hot knife 90, and I should be okay. Now this area here it could fail right here, anywhere here. So smart money would exit at entry. Then I would just call it quits or look for a new trade. If it won't clear 90, pretty sure that it will tag at least 10. I just need to be careful that I am not stuck on the bias that I'm right on this trade. Because this pullback could be just a price check of this candle here. This happened very fast. A lot of traders got caught, so they're scaling in, trying to exit. So I may have an opportunity to exit, but that could be it. And I don't want to get stuck on a bias that, oh, it's finally going my way. And it's not, it's just a pullback. And then I missed the opportunity to exit. So I don't want to be greedy. I need to be careful that I am not on a pipe dream and that I'm not being greedy. Because obviously it's better to exit without a loss, right? Or I have an opportunity to exit. So I need to. All right, I'm going guys. Today, the day that's going to make a new high and a new low the same day. So I doubt that we will break out of the bottom range CLJ5, which is development 65, 30. We are a lot closer. Iceberg has development. Or no, we're actually right in between.
US cash open. In terms of US indices, they do open in the green after the S&P did close 10% below its peak. This is a near technical correction. For the SPX, that's currently up about 1.3%. Nasdaq 100 up 1.8%. Ross 2000 up about 1.5%. Dow Jones up about 80 basis points. The latest report suggesting the US government shutdown this week has been reversing with Democrats in the Senate to pass the House bill agreed upon earlier this week. And the FX, the dollar index is at modestly lower as euro strength does weigh, as reports suggest that CDU, CSU, SPD, and Greens have apparently agreed on this final package.
So
Green Party leads.
they reached an agreement. So maybe this is why the ES is up now 71. So no government shutdown. The markets are liking that. A shutdown wouldn't really affect the crude.
Underperform, but the 10-year yield that is currently up about 3.6 basis points with spread steepening as a background. And in the crude space, bonds had mostly trimmed in recent trade, with some attributing the earlier upside to speculation over the PBOC opting for an R cut this before the weekend. We did recently hear from US President Trump on the discussion between Russia and the US yesterday. He said talks are very good and productive, with a very good chance that the war can come to an end, and has requested Putin to spare the lives of thousands of Ukrainian troops. WTI currently up about 30 cents per barrel at 681, with Brent trading at 17.50.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys heard that or not, but he's saying that the market was up and reacted to Trump and oil news and war news. So a ceasefire is bad for oil. War is always good for oil prices. So that could be why it sold off right at the opening. But that is European news. So why did it go up all night? So all of this here was all a bull trap? Or is it because at night or ETH is such a low volume that they can manipulate the market and just buy, and then just go and tank it? So again, I think I'm going to have an opportunity to exit. I need to, I still haven't made up my mind if I'm going to exit or not. I think until I have at least, I think it will at least tag 1632 or try to make a new high. Yeah. All right, I'm going to stick to my trade. But this decision could cost me $2,800. I hope I don't regret getting out of bed.
Coming up in under 10 minutes time, we'll see the release of preliminary figures for the UAM report in March. The report will be closely watched given the recent indicators pointing to possible moderation in consumer spending highlighted by the last UAM report, as well as US consumer confidence and resale sales are expected to be falling as concerns over the impact from US tariffs and US policy going ahead do weigh. At the moment in February, the headline sentiment fell to 64 points.
So decision point right here. This could be an area to go short. So if you are liking the short side, this could be an area to go short. It may fail here. Anywhere in between 67.02 and 90. Actually, a little higher here. All of this here could be an area to go short. If we could clear 20 within the next 9 minutes, chances are that it will go to my target. Or at least to 30. So they bought back everything that they sold as far as volume, and they doubled it. I'm tempted to exit 3 contracts. This Russian news. All right, I think I'm gonna go and split it. No, I'm gonna stick to it. Tough day. Fridays are tough, man. Fridays are tough. I see this all the time. If you're a beginner, you shouldn't be trading Fridays. All right, here's gonna come the opportunity that I could exit this after suffering for 45 minutes. So I want to see it clear 16 within 6 minutes. I don't want to lose money on a Friday because then you mow it all weekend. Why did I add? Why did I chase? And you think about it, the whole weekend, have such a great week to just blow it at the end when I shouldn't gotten out of bed. Oh shit. Ah, thank God I'm not trading my live account. Uh, Here we are. Decision point. It's either going to go and retest the low, or we're going to go and test 15 or 16. So it did a price check on POC. Oh no, it's at 12. So we're halfway there. So it's trying to check if we are overbought. I'll be okay with a pullback to 80 and then a relaunch. But if we get under 80, I may be in trouble. It may make a new low. I want it. I want this to hold right here. They are starting to sell some. But here comes a little bit of rebuy. So obviously want to be above 67. Otherwise, it's a fail at 67. It's going to go and make a new low. So next obstacle is going to be 10 on the upside. I want to see be, all right, so it's not clearing that 16. So here we are, top of the hour, and it didn't clear 16. So now it's going to take more buying to clear 16. And here comes some selling. As long as 80 holds, I think I may survive this. So right where I set it, decision point, here comes some selling. It could be a scalp opportunity, or it's going to go and make a new low. So I could have just exited with a $330 loss. Major selling. Yeah, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. $435 in volume just sold. So I could have exited with a small loss and I didn't. And probably now it's going to cost me where I'm at. 28.50. So the Russian news is tanking this market. So if you are on a short, 56 is a target, 46 is a target, and 38. So nice little short already, 25 ticks. I need to see a pullback above 67. If I see a 67 again, I think we will see a 16. All right, if I get stopped out, I'm going to go and take a break, and I'm going to try to chase this without straining. I need to be able to be 100% focused. Take a break, relax. Worst thing to do is to jump on a trade after you had a big loss. You want to be able to look at the market with different eyes. Because obviously now I'm on a buy bias. So I need to go and come back with fresh eyes. What am I seeing? Oh, okay. Market wants to go down to 66.40. Okay. Where do I get in? I'm on 67. Let's go. Good morning. What did I just do here? How much the size of the account? I have 250K accounts. $50,000. 2 accounts at 50,000. Good morning. I'm almost at my 100K before this loss. One account I had 93 and the other one I have 91. So I'm almost at my goal. And this is why I said, no, don't trade on Friday. You're almost there. Don't trade. This morning, now, stay in bed. Stay in bed. Gotta listen to your gut feelings. Very important. You have 2 brains. One is your gut, which has been proven scientifically because of all the microbes you have, and the other one is your brain. It has been proven that you have 2 brains. I just, well, in my other charts, I still use it, but streaming, I don't use it because most people don't use it. So I am not trading off of the candles. I just use candles just to stream. Everything else is either Renko or Hashi. And I even have what is it called? I always forget what it's called. One of my charts is where is it here? Point and figure. So I have a couple of charts, point and figure, and then I have the Hashi, and this is just for streaming. Yeah, I am not a candlestick trader. And I don't use SMAs or EMAs either. This is just for show. So so it's not a plain chart, but I don't trade off a movie I've ever decided. I'll take a look at them, but it's not a tool that I trade off of. Yeah, I'm still using it. Yeah, it's the best. It reduces noise. So all my other charts, except for two that are point and figure, all right, I think I'm in trouble. I may have a chance here if institutional traders are done. That is the only chance I think I have, is that they got out here and they got out here and here. So institutional traders, if you heard this before, sorry, but they have orders that they need to go through every morning. They have orders that each trader is given, and they have all of these orders that they have to go either place or get out. So you, as a bank, you call, okay, tomorrow morning, I need you to go and buy 100 shares or get out of my trade, get out a certain number or clear 100 shares so I don't have that much of open risk during the weekend. So it's Friday. Hopefully they are done. Most of the trades are placed within the first hour and at the last 15 minutes of RTH closing. That's when 85 to 90% of the orders are all placed. Yes, I do use Bookmap. Yeah. And I would show it, but last time I tried to go stream Bookmap, it was too heavy on the system and it made my computer crash or the internet crash. So I don't stream Bookmap. And there are plenty of the channels that you could watch or actually go to Bookmap on YouTube or Discord and you could watch Bookmap there. So hopefully they are done. So they may sell more volume, but I need, as long as the volume gets absorbed we may still go up. But I need a miracle here. This is not good. It's looking like a correction, move, pull back, and then, yeah, it's more and more looking like either a C or a wave 3 down. So first target, if you did take the short, first target is going to be 63 and then 47. So if you're short, maybe a good idea to exit either at scale off there and then target right there. Yeah, here comes a new low. So I had an opportunity to exit with minus 300, and I would have just been negative 60 because I'm already up to 140 from last night. I forgot about that. I should have just exited at 67. Completely forgot to measure that. So nice little 30 tick trade. So I had the opportunity to exit with a small loss and go short. I didn't do neither of those two, and I'm paying for it. So I got greedy. I should have exited at my decision point, especially with this momentum here. And it was obvious, but that was too late already. Yeah. You have to go and chase this afterwards, or I may just take the loss and make it back next week. I need to make sure that I don't go into tilt. I need to make sure that I don't go into FOMO, and then to make sure that I don't go into revenge trading. So if I'm over this loss, then I'm okay to go and try to chase my loss. But if I'm grinding, oh, you chased, you had an opportunity to exit, you didn't, you're a dumbass, then I can't trade. They need to introspect, at least I do, I need to introspect, see how I'm feeling, how I'm reacting to my losses. If hey, it's part of doing business, no big deal, I'll make it back, then yes, I'll take more trades trying to make my money back. Otherwise, I need to call it. I need to just lick my wounds and go enjoy my weekend. All right, 63. What did we just see? We saw a 67. Yeah, now looking good. If we can get above 90, then we may see 16, 67, 16. Oh, here comes a new low. All right, if I get stopped out, that's it, guys. I'm going to go and take Benny out, make his food, and then I'm going to see how I feel. Maybe I'll record it. Yeah, that definitely looks like a wave C, but a wave C could stop in between 63 and 58. But I don't want to make this a bigger loss, so I'm not going to move my stop, but it could bounce right at 59. But I have targets at 56, 53. It might just make a new low and bounce. I'm tempted to move it under 55. But that's right at target. But I may survive this. Oh man. Then I'm moving now. I'm gonna look at some stuff here. Let's see. So the reason that I may survive this is because it might find buyers right here. All of this is all support. So it may just hit this area here of supply and bounce. So it should actually be under 38, but that is a huge loss. That's $4,000. But I may be able to survive this if I move it under, at least under 48. But it may want to test right there to find buyers. And then go and test this hot box here. Now, am I willing to take another $1,000 on top of it? Because I could just exit and then take a break and then go along here. It'll definitely bounce here. So I could negative 30 ticks. So there could be at least a bounce of 20 ticks that I could make back if I just get stopped out at 60. So If I exit right under the low and then re-enter here, if obviously I'm seeing reasons to go long, I'm not going to go blindly long here, but there will be buyers for sure because this is a supply and demand area. It's where the market closed yesterday. All right, I don't want to add any more losses, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to admit to myself that I'm wrong, which is the hardest part to do when you're a trader. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I should have exited when I had a chance over the negative $60. ELJ5. I didn't. So, man up. You screwed up. So I'm going to lose this battle, but I'm not going to lose the war. If I get stopped out, I am done streaming and I'm going to go take a break and then see about making my money back. Yeah, I'm wrong. That's it. That's it. I shouldn't have chased it. Because if I had gone in at 80, where it was my original add-on, it would have probably lowered my entry to 67 because I scaled in at 96. So it would have probably averaged out to 67. Yeah, it sure is. It's part of doing business. And the faster you figure that out, the faster you'll be a profitable trader. And another one is you don't have to trade every day. This is why I'm not trading my live account. I'm trading a PA, which to me is still play money. Don't know anybody that's ever cashed out, that's ever done a withdrawal. So as far as I'm concerned, I am still no, I am play money. Yeah. Sim trading. If you're a beginner, you should trade Tuesday. Wednesday, if you're going to trade oil, you have to be careful with oil inventory on Wednesday and trade Thursday. If you're trading the ES, the NQ, then you don't have to worry about Wednesday unless it's FOMC or CPI or some other big report. You don't have to trade every day. You have to make enough money so you don't have to trade every day. That's it. It's very easy. Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm not a pair trader. I've never traded Forex or crypto. But I know friends who make money, but I mean, I don't trust bank to bank trading. That could be manipulated, so I don't trade Forex. But there's people who make money. And if you have an edge, if you are making money, congratulations. All right, looks like I'm going to get stopped out. I'm probably going to make a big move here and just pop me right out. You know what? I'm gonna give this one chance right there. Right there. Maybe it'll bounce off of 59. What's $300 when I'm already down? Just in case it wants to go and nibble 59. But this was the clue right there. At the opening, major sell off. That was the clue. So if you don't already have one, make a contract, sign in the morning. I broke several of my own rules this morning, which I'm going to have to go and journal about. Why did I break it? What is the reason? Was it fear of losing money? And it was FOMO. Twice it hit my entry and it didn't fill me. And I went and I chased it to only see it come back down again. So I need to be honest with myself and admit that, yes, I FOMO traded or I FOMO added because I would have been negative 1,100 instead of 25. So nice little short. I could have been in this short here. I can't feel bad because I called it. Decision point right there. So I'm gonna go up or down from here. I just hope that there's enough hidden buyers at 63 to hold this. So it's almost like a triple bottom, double bottom. Because I'm going to take this as a bottom. They bought, sold again. But you keep knocking, hitting that door, eventually you'll bring it down. So I need a miracle. And we're at -8. So it looks like sellers are getting absorbed. Yeah, I got greedy. I have enough experience to know that this was the last chance to exit. And I should have exited with a small loss. But I FOMO'd and I got greedy. – Come on, buyers. Step in. I would hate to see it take me out and just bounce. Come on, buyers. Here comes the buyers. Come on. Come on, come on. I might have an opportunity to go and exit here at 90. With a smaller loss. We may see a tag 90. All right. Let's see if I can have a smaller loss here. So I'm up 240. If I exit, I'll be negative $190. As you see right here, I'll show you. Took a small trade yesterday. Happy I got out because I was going short. Where is this? Accounts. Well, as you see right there, I'm up 240. So I should have gotten out at, what was the high there? It was 67. At 67, I would have been negative $100. But I completely forgot to do that math. But I also, I was greedy. I was on a bull trap. Maybe I'll turn around. I'm going to make $2,500 when everything is showing me that the market is going down, that all of that overnight buying was just a pump up. That's all it was. They just pumped it up to drop it at the opening. Yeah, it's all looking good. So I have, if you're short again, I have 56, 54, 53, and 45, all targets. All of this area here is all targets. So to have a chance of surviving this, my stop needs to be under this right here. At least under 42. There's going to be a lot of buyers here. But is it enough for me to exit without a loss? I doubt it. But it could be only $1,000 loss. Am I willing to take a chance? No, because it may just hot knife right through this. So I'm not willing to go and add another $1,000. I'd prefer to look at a buy here than to be under. So I gave you one more last chance, moved it. I think I was at 61, right? That's where it was. Yeah. So if we can get above 75, I may be able to exit at 98. So we can clear 75. It may tag right under 67. But it's going to be pretty hard clearing 90. So I'll gonna exit with $450 loss. Not bad at all. And if it does take me out, I am done streaming. Gonna go and take Benny out for his morning walk, and then I have to go and feed him. And then maybe I'll try to make it back, or I'll just say $450 loss. That's the first loss this week. That's not bad. All right. I need to make sure that I am at the right spot here at the exit. It may stop at 96, or it may stop at, I'm gonna exit at 96. So 570. Come on, go, 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 go. So it may stop at 90. Come on, keep going, keep going. And if we clear 90, we will see a 96. So what I want to see is go up to 83, come back down, and then boom. I doubt that we will see it go straight to 90. That's a 40 tick move. I doubt we will see that. So I want to see it go in steps. Go in steps. Find supply, out of supply, find supply again, and up. So this whole area here is going to be pretty tough right there. And we could clear this area. Chances are that I'll be able to exit. So what did I say? This is too long. So right there, right? I said 82, 83. right there. Looks like I was 2 or 3 ticks off of it. No big deal, as long as it comes down no more than 15 ticks. So I don't want to see a 65. So I'm okay with any pullback less than 15 ticks. CLJ5, iceberg has development. So I want to stop at 70. 70 or 69. That would be awesome if I survived it by moving 3 ticks down. So it looks like it might be on its way back up, stopped at 71. So now we need to go and clear 87. If we clear 87, I think it will hit my exit. Here we go. Here we go. Need to hot knife right through 89. 88, 89. Well, I hope so. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Got a hot knife right through 87, 88, 89. Come on. Let's go. Here comes selling. So it's failing right at the bottom of the box. All right, what is the low? I'm going to move up my stop to 59. If it comes back down, it's going to go right through. So I don't think I can survive this any longer on the downside. Come on, show me a fail of 67. Let's go. I'm patient and I'm persistent, but sometimes it bites me in the ass. So smart money would have exited at 80 and just said, okay, you know what? That's $1,000 loss, which is obviously better than 27.90. But I stick to my trade and I take full responsibility for my losses. So I give it a try, but everything showed me that you're wrong. You're wrong. You're wrong. Every time it goes up, it sells, but you never know. You never know. So now I'm going to go and check my Squawk box to see if any of this is news related. If it is, it may want to do a back to the scene of the crime. So this is 650. Let's go and take a look at the Squawk box. 650. So no, that's Deep Seek. 640 was Treasury. No. So none of this is news related. So there's a small chance that it wants to go and do a back to the scene because it's not. So what I want to see is to go and try to test 67 again to check if we are really overbought. Is 67 really too expensive? Let's check it out. Let's see if there's any buyers or sellers there. So the market is always checking and rechecking if it's overbought, oversold. And that's why it goes from supply and demand area to supply and demand area. Here comes some buying again. Come on, hot knife 90. Let's go.
CLJ5, iceberg band.
Okay. Well, yeah, I mean, no way that I will exit with profits. I have to agree, but I still have a chance to exit right under 67. I think it will go right to my exit. But yeah, with no losses, I have to agree with you. 100%. Come on, baby. Go, go, go. Hot knife right through that 90. Yeah, I don't mind getting burnt, but I don't want to get cooked. Burn me a little, but just don't cook me. Oh, shit. Here we go. Hot knife right through that. Go, 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 go. Is my squawk box on? No, squawk box was off. Ukraine's military says information about Kiev's troops encirclement in Russia. Oh, it's false. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Beat me out. Go, go, go. Come on, buyers. Come on.
Was a rate of 2% by the end of the year. It'll be 73 gold.
Don't sell here. Ah, look at that. Tagged right in my line. Come on, buyers. Get in there. I need to make sure that I am not being greedy. 96. I'm going to lower one more tick here. 95. So it'll be 630 loss. So I'll be negative about $400. Not bad at all after sweating 27.90. I'll take that. I'll take that. All right. I'm going to have to move up my stop. If it's going to come down, it's going to come down. So I think that's going to be the last drive up. Go, go, go. Oh, come on. What's it? Yes. And there it is. There it is. Ah, don't show me a 96. All right, so I am done trading. This is what I'm ending with right now. As you can see, after being negative 27.90, I'm only negative 390. So masterclass on patience and being open to possibilities of what the market may do. But obviously I was wrong, and I could have just gotten my ass kicked. And how I survived was by seeing what the market is showing me, and also by giving it one little bit of chance. But if you're on evaluation, you should never move your stop, ever, ever. Take the loss, lose the war, but don't lose the battle. And here we are at 96, so I could have even had a little more. It's probably going to go and test 67, but hey, I'm happy. So guys, I am done. I may look at it again after I'm done walking my dog, see if I can make this money back. But hey, I'm already up 6,000 or 7,000 this week. So, ending the week with giving back 390 is fantastic. So chances are I will not take any more trades. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the support. If you haven't given a thumbs up, give me a thumbs up. There's a 90% sale on Apex. So if you're looking, it was 97. Look at that. So I was going to go and test 67. Man, I'll be pissed if it goes all the way to 16. All right. I don't want to watch it. I don't want to go on tilt, because now I'll go into tilt if Yeah. All right, guys. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you on Monday.